Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have your Kai pad and power source. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet and attach the cable to the charger. Once done, remove metal objects and slim cases thicker than 3 mm. Make sure cards are out. Place your iPhone face up in the center of the pad and gently let it rest. You should feel minimal movement. If your charger has an LED, watch for the charging light. This gets you charging now, so you can verify power before continuing. Once the phone is on the pad, check the screen or LED to confirm charging. If it doesn't start, move the phone a few millimeters. Coil alignment matters. Make sure background apps aren't maxing CPU. You can enable airplane mode to reduce heat and speed charging. Remove any magnetic mounts or accessories since they block power transfer. If you use a thick case, test without it. Many cases under 3 mm work fine, but wireless signal drops with extra layers, so adjust as needed. When charging reaches the level you want, lift the phone straight up and unplug the pad if you're done. Make sure the pad cools because heat reduces efficiency. If charging stops unexpectedly, reset the iPhone, check that the cable and adapter are tight, and reboot the phone. These quick steps often clear hiccups. If problems persist, swap cables or try another Kai pad to isolate the fault. That single test usually reveals whether the charger.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.